Yesterday, one of my students said to me, I have a potential client. She wants to work with me. She wants to run ads, but she's feeling really nervous about will she succeed and what do I do? What do I say to her? Here's what I said to her. We can never guarantee that a person is going to have business success, especially when they have a new offer. The truth is that some people do succeed and some people don't. As we all know, there are no guarantees in life, none at all. I mean, wouldn't that be great if there were, but there aren't. So here's what you do instead. I think the real question becomes not, will I succeed or will I not succeed? Am I okay with living a life knowing that I didn't try? You identify what you really want in life. You identify what is important to you, and then you take the risks that move us in the direction of our dreams. And the thought of will I succeed or will I not succeed? I mean, that's a side thought. The most important thing to remember is that to live a life well lived, we need to be able to get to the end of our lives and say, I tried the necessary things that I needed to try to get where I wanted to go. And if I succeeded, that was amazing. And if I didn't succeed, that's okay too. At least I didn't go out without a fight, because that's what really makes us feel alive.